nigga. Montana gave me my first rock, said I could hustle, nigga. Lil Dave told me how to step so I could flush a nigga. You an ex-boomer, I ain't stuntin', I'm a bossy nigga. I'm in and out, JJ tell him don't come spinning this way. You gon' hop out a shoot from me and you gon' get stepped on the day.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nola, baby. I'm here with my dog, KJ.
Hey, look, wait, let me tell you something, because I told my video. Y'all asked about me wearing the same fucking jacket. Shut the fuck up, get off my dick. You gonna buy me a jacket? Fuck no, so leave me alone.
But shit, yeah, we going to a little practice session. And about to let my dog teach me how to slide the mirror. So I'll catch y'all when we hit the spot. We gotta stop it. We finna go ahead and put gas in this motherfucker. It's like every time I start a video.
How much?
We about to go ahead. I'm about to get my dog, Young Lil Papa, to teach me how to slide the mirror. By the time y'all viewing this video, I should have the Baton Rouge vlog updated. But I also should have all the vlogs updated for now. We about to put some gas in this bitch. This motherfucker drink gas every day. Eat gas every day. What are you talking
about? Getting gas every day?
That bitch get gas every day, damn near. I mean, every time we vlog, we at a gas station.
We are at a gas station every time we vlog.
So we ain't.
Something wrong with us. It's literally every time we at the gas station. So my other one. So look, let me explain. Look, my other one fell out. I guess while I was asleep or some shit. I didn't realize it was going, so I was at work. By then it was wrapped, so I just went home and got this one and put the other one. I lost this other one too. I don't know where it's at. So I just got two different areas and this is gonna be what it is. But my mask is retarded as it is, but it's only looking like that because it's gonna come down easily. But yeah, we outside even though I got work at 7 o'clock in the morning. I've been late in there every day this week, but I don't really give a fuck.
I was late today because I stayed up late. Last night I was up about 3 o'clock in the morning, 3:30.
Doing what?
Cleaning up. I couldn't. Man, my mom ain't gonna let me leave her house without that fucking house.
Put 30, boy. No money good. No money good. Put 30 in that boy's shit. 30.
Yeah, y'all. I mean, we gonna hit y'all up at the spot. I'm gonna be real. Driving through there, y'all can see all the damn droplets on the car. Driving here, it was hard as hell. We just made it to the spot. Everybody pulling in. I'm about to go ahead and flip that camera for y'all, let y'all see everybody out there. You know, we bringing everything out every time. Shit, yeah, gonna get active in this bitch. I don't know where we going. I done changed the plate and everything. So we got the new plate on that bitch. Got the plate on there. It's raining out here. But yeah, we gonna go ahead, get into the content. Again, next. But we got all them demons out. This whole ass nigga, bro.
Took a whole lot of shit, a whole lot of niggas out, just back up and roll them over.
But yeah, they about to teach. Well, I don't know who. My damn car didn't shut off. That was too quick.
I can't tell. Everybody shit so loud.
Nah, that bitch shut off. The lights off. Shit, yeah. I'm about to see why the fuck the car done shut off. That bitch shut off. I don't know why, but we waiting on everybody. I think we got like 2 more people pulling up. Once they pull up, we gonna head out. Oh, he backing up. We arrived at the second spot. So we ready to see who about to get active out here. Oh shit, I ain't got my key.
Man, what the fuck wrong with that bitch? That chick.
brand new rolls. The King Kong in the hood, tractor trailer back in the
Don't want to lose traction.
I feel like he won't hook.
YW shit.
Young, they at your finish. your great wine. Hey, yeah, I heard you heard through the grapevine. Hey, you want this cloud nine? Oh, you want this 9 shot? Hey, yeah. I send Lil Odin, make him walk it out. This 40 got out of beam and we gon' clear out y'all little parking lot. Clear out y'all scene, make this
I got killers, they don't talk now. Hey, yo, bitch, I know my dick, I know these hoes be stalking now. Barely got them bitches and I make them bitches walking now. She gon' eat the dish, she talk on dick like walking, talking now. In my top, I'm hungry like a beast at Chippy Park. And I'm smoking loud, man, I got like your blood. Hey, that shit retarded. That shit retarded.
Boy, don't stop.
I'm high as fuck. For real now.
Yeah, this is what the fuck I asked for. Shit.
Shit. I ain't ending the video off. We having a quick intermission.
Real quick intermission. Real quick.
Shit, stop pretty much.
Y'all just gonna see clip to clip.
Real talk. But real life. The host, he done left. Something was wrong with his car. Y'all probably gonna see it in the clip. That bitch started smoking or whatever. We gonna see him. He probably come back, who knows? Knowing his ass, he might pull out another toy. He might not. That fucking Camaro. Alright, chat. Video over with. I ain't gonna lie. But I lied to y'all. We wasn't supposed to slide the Camaro. I probably gonna say that for another video. But we about to stop at the gas station again. No, we don't gotta get gas this time. Well, my camera got something on it. There you go. But yeah, 12 came right at the spot. Them niggas got in front of me. I ain't gonna lie, but I'm glad they let me go. Looked like they was focused on something else. Cause he could have trapped me in there, bitch. What's up? Doing good. But yeah, we about to go ahead and end the vlog. I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe. This was a quick little video. Shouldn't be too much to edit. And yeah, we'll